Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to check your Zaggle card balance in 2025. Zaggle cards are fantastic for managing expenses, rewards, and daily spending, but let's face it, keeping an eye on your balance is key to staying in control. Whether you're a long-time user or just getting started, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have the latest Zaggle app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, hop over to your app store. It's free and takes just a minute. Once it's downloaded, open the app and log in with your registered email or phone number and password. If you've forgotten your password, don't panic. There's a "Forgot Password" option to reset it via email or SMS. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the "Balance" or "Account Summary" section. It's usually right on the home screen for easy access. Tap on it, and you'll see your current balance displayed, along with any recent transactions. For added security, Zaggle might ask for a PIN or biometric verification, so go ahead and confirm that. If you prefer not to use the app, you can check your balance online by visiting the official Zaggle website on your computer or mobile browser. Just log in with the same credentials, and you'll find the balance details under your account overview. Pro tip: if you're on the go and don't have access to the app or web, try sending an SMS to the Zaggle support number with a simple code like BAL, followed by your card number. It's a handy alternative for 2025's tech-savvy world. And that's it. You've now mastered checking your Zaggle card balance quickly and securely. Remember, staying on top of your finances helps you make smarter decisions. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Stay balanced.